know if you can hear the wind out there, but it is frightful. And the fire is so delightful. So if there's no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm kicking it off with a beauty advent calendar. So this one here is Debenhams 24 days of beauty treats. This one is £90 on their website, but if you buy anything from their skincare, their makeup or their fragrance range, it automatically discounts this down to 45. Just dig into it. I'm dying to see what's in it. Opens up like this. Oh, beautiful. Here is number one. Oh my god, I can't get it out because I've got nails on. Oh, I can't get it out. Ah, got it. Oh! Box number one. So excited. Honestly, I'm so excited. What have we got? Oh, I can't even get into this. Really? Let's see what we've got. Oh, okay. So we have got a Kat Von D volumizing mascara, and it's go big or go home, and it's in like a little tube, and that is what the wand looks like. Aha, number two. Oh guys, I'm going to really struggle with this. I can't get the boxes out because of my nails, so I've grabbed a knife. And it works a treat. Ah, I know what you're thinking. She's ever so classy. Box number two. What is this? Oh, it smells amazing. Clinique. Okay, this is Clinique's Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. Smells amazing. So there we are. We've got a cream. You know, I'm not happy about this big old gap, but yeah, okay. Oh, it smells like fruit. It's very fruity. Fragrance free? No, it's not. It says here allergy tested, 100% fragrance free. I can fucking smell it. So, box number three. Ah, ooh. Okay. So it is a nourishing gemstone mini mask. Ooh. Oh, I like the look of this. Oh, I'm like a magpie, so anything shiny, gems related is a bit of me. Okay. Oh, so okay. So what you do is you wash your face, you apply it here, 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 and here. And then it's 20 to 30 minutes, and then you take it off. Oh, it's not. I like it. Got a little panda at the top. Oh, love it. And the brand is called OK. So just literally OK. Okay. Okay. I'm liking that. So it's a Korean brand. Okay. Cool. They know their stuff, and it's not tested on animals. Win-win. Right, okay, so box number four, we have got, oh, we've got Ciate London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. That's nice. Oh, obviously it smells like watermelons, and I love it. Okay, so number five. Oh, that one was easier to get out. Okay, so we have a product by Philosophy, and this is their 3-in-1 cleanser for face and eyes. Okay, it says Philosophy. Purity is natural. We come into this world with all the right instincts. We are innocent and perceive things as they should be, rather than how they are. Our conscience is clear, our hands are clean, and the world at large is truly beautiful. I like that. Box number 6, we have got Okay, I've not heard of this brand. It might just be me, but let me know in the comments below if you've heard of this brand. It's called Laboratories Florga Paris. Like I say, I don't know this brand. It's called Time Filler and it's the Absolute Wrinkles Soothing Cream. You watch, it's like a really big brand and I'm just thick and don't know about it. Number 7. This looks interesting. Oh, it's a NARS blush. I'm excited. That is the shade and it's called Orgasm. Give that a quick swatch. It's got like little speckles of gold in there. Beautiful. Don't know if it's picking that up, but as you move you can see the gold. That is so pretty. Okay, I am really impressed with that. Number 8. Huge. Okay, so this is a 3-step sheet mask. So step 1 is detoxifying cleanser. And then you have the anti-pollution marine algae sheet mask is step 2. And then step 3 is a soothing serum. Okay, quite like that. Give that one a go. Number 9. Let's see what we got. This one's a heavy one, so we'll see what we get. Okay, so this is the Handmade Soap Company. Okay, and it smells of lavender, rosemary, thyme and mint. It says it's handmade in Ireland using the finest natural ingredients. A calming spring garden breeze soothes the souls, awakens the senses, stirs the appetite a little with this herbaceous scent plucked straight from the garden, calming lavender notes with herby sprigs. It smells great. It does smell really good. I like that it doesn't come in plastic packaging either. This is cardboard, so that's easily recyclable. Ooh. Oh, that smells really good. Now, normally I don't like lavender, but because it's got the mint in there and the thyme, I can't smell the lavender so much, so that is really good. It almost like clears your senses, like I feel like it's clearing my nostrils. Oh yeah, I like that. That's good. Okay, so box number 10. I don't know this company. I don't know this brand. You guys might know this. If you know this brand, let me know. Murad. Have you heard of that one? It says it's Environmental Shield Essential Sea Cleanser. Oh, it's got little beads in it. Oh, it smells like oranges. Like, but not just orange, like chocolate orange. Like a Terry's chocolate orange. That's that does smell good. Okay, I'm gonna give that a go. So Murad Environmental Shield Essential Sea Cleanser. Polka dot one. Okay, Noble Isles, the Nude Edition Fireside Body Lotion. Guys, I don't know if you can hear, but it's actually fireworks night, so yeah, it's all going off. I'll be honest, I probably won't use that. It's not really a smell that I like. Fireside kindles the warm, spicy aromas of a country inn with a vitamin-rich beet extract. I mean, it doesn't smell horrible, but it's not one that I would use. Number 12. Okay, so we've got the Benefit Mascara, They're Real. So I haven't tried this one yet, so I'm happy to give that a go. So it's like a plastic wand as opposed to like a brush. Okay. Good to try. Oh, I'm shaking it because it feels so light. It doesn't feel like there's anything in it, but there is. Ah, alright. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. A Debenhams £5 gift card. That'll come in handy in the sale. No wonder it felt so light. I thought there was nothing in the box. It's a long one. We all like a long one. Cheeky, cheeky. Okay. I don't know this brand again. Buxom. I'll show you. And it is a plump line lip liner. And this is in the shade Restricted. Never heard of a lip liner with plump. Oh, it's a big one. Plump line lip liner. Okay. It's a big pencil, big chunky pencil. We've got that at that end. What's on the other end then? Does anything come out of that, or is it just a brush? Like, why would you need that? Okay, I don't really get that. So obviously you've got the pencil on one end, but then you've got like a lip brush on the other. Okay, it's a nice colour, quite wearable. I suppose, what, do you just do that? Okay, I don't know if it's me, but I don't really see the point in that. But okay. Plump and defines, built-in brush for blending and contouring. Okay. Sorry, I can't hide it. My face says it all, doesn't it? Not really impressed with that, but number 15. We have got a shampoo by Philips Kingsley, and it is anti-dandruff shampoo. Flaky, itchy scalp, calms and comforts the scalp. Strange, because why they would put that in the box as opposed to like a normal shampoo. Not everyone's got a flaky, itchy scalp. 16. Oh, it's a palette. Ah, okay. This is NYX. Now, I absolutely love NYX products. They're so good and such good value. So this is a little palette here. It's called the Ultimate Edit Petite Shadow Palette. And it's got warm neutrals in it. So there's 2 shimmers and 4 matte shades. 17. I can't read that. That's, oh god, the writing on it is tiny. I might have to put my spectacles on. It's so difficult to see the writing because it's in a clear bottle. It's called Sesh Vite Dry Fast Top Coat. Don't even know if you'll be able. Look, you can't even see it on the camera. Alright. $18. Oh, okay, this is a good one. So this is m.a.c. It's a superfood facial wash, pre-bionical gel cleanser. We're getting a lot of cleansers in here, and this came with it as well, and it says your complimentary 15-minute facial. Discover the world of m.a.c. Join us in store for your complimentary 15-minute facial, personally prescribed to address your skin concerns. Oh, that's quite good. I like that. So, yeah, 15-minute facial. Quite like that. It's a good one. So, box 19. We have got Pretty Fillers Waterfall Glow Cream. Touch in Soul. Box 20. So this is a Clarins product, and it's called Lip Comfort Oil. Enhances and nourishes. And hazelnut. Ooh. It says transparent colour, mirror shine, soothed comfortable lips, non-sticky pampering texture, a cocktail of 3 plant oils. Excited to give that one a go. Big one. God, I don't know if you heard that on the camera, but it was an eagle coming in to get me. Oh, it was bleeding firework. Right, so we've got a product by Ritual. So this is the Ritual of Sakura. Celebrate each day as a new beginning. Magic Touch Body Cream, organic rice milk and cherry blossom. How rude is it that people are enjoying themselves and letting off fireworks when I am trying to film for you guys? Bloody rude. God, I'm such one for smelling things. Like, that sounds weird. Yeah, I can definitely smell the cherry blossom in there. Oh, that smells good. Yep. Don't mind putting that all over me body. Getting close to the end now, guys. I don't want it to end. This feels like Christmas already. 22. This is from L'Occitane. L'Occitane. It's L'Occitane. This shower oil transforms, when in contact with water, into a delicate foam that gently cleanses the body. Lather and massage into the shower and rinse. I like that. Oh, I can't wait to try that one. I'm going to try that one soon. 23. Oh, it's a candle. Oh, and it smells amazing. I know I keep telling you all that everything smells amazing, but it genuinely does. This is by Parks London. Orange, cedarwood and clove. 100% natural wax made in England. Oh, that is so good. Oh, I'm so impressed with that. And it's for such a little candle. I mean, that's not a big candle, is it? That's quite little. But the fragrance that I can smell in that is, oh, they've really packed it in there. That smells amazing. I'm gonna like that tonight. Oh, I'm gutted. This is the last one. Almost don't want to open it because I want it to last. Whoop whoop. Okay, we have got a m.a.c lipstick. That's great. It's in the shade Ruby Woo. Ooh, I like it. A m.a.c lipstick. I'm impressed. I got this for £45 and I love it. I think that is well worth £45 all day long. There's some brilliant brands in there. We've got Rituals, we've got Elemis, we've got L'Occitane, we've got m.a.c. Okay, we've got some good brands in there, and I'm really excited to try some of the ones that I don't know so well. That candle, oh, I can still smell it. It's so nice. £45, well worth it in my opinion. Try and get your hands on it, guys, because last year it sold out quite quickly, and I think it probably will do the same thing this year. We're in the early stages of November at the moment, so your best bet is to try and get it early. Okay guys, if you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys on my next video. Mwah!